Hello everyone, how are you all? So let's start. So this is going to be the first video on our channel PTU Study Zone and also the first video of the playlist of Semiconductor Physics Semester 1. Subject code is BTPH10418. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about the syllabus of Semiconductor Physics Semester 1, the marks distribution at PTU and the common myths that all students have in semester 1. Okay, so let's start. So there are total of 4 units in syllabus. The first unit name is electronic material and there is total of 12 topics in it. Okay, so in this whole video the topics where I have marked with asterisk sign in green color are very important. So you should have to do these topics. Okay, so the first topic is free electron theory of metals. Second is density of states in 1D, 2D and 3D. The third one is Bloch theorem for particles in a periodic potential. Fourth is energy band diagrams. Fifth is Cronin-Penny model, that is very important and usually asked in previous paper. Sixth topic is energy bands in solids. Seventh is EK diagram. Eighth is direct and indirect band gap. That is also very important and usually asks the difference between direct and indirect band gaps in 4 marks. The ninth is type of electronic material, metals, semiconductors and insulators. So here there is a common difference between metal, semiconductor and insulator. That is also asked for 4 marks. You need to differentiate between all of them on the basis of their resistivity, conductivity and examples and other properties. The 10th topic is occupation probability. The 11th topic is Fermi level and 12th is effective marks. Effective marks topic is also very important. You all are not familiar with this topic earlier. This is going to be the new concept for you. Okay, so the coming to unit 2 semiconductors. So there is total of 7 topic in this unit. First topic is intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. You all are familiar with this topic like you have studied it in a class 12th syllabus of the last chapter. Okay, so I think you all know about it. And in extrinsic semiconductor there exist n type and p type semiconductor. That is all 12th class based. You don't need to worry about it. The second topic is dependence of Fermi level on carrier concentration and temperature. Third is carrier generation and recombination. Fourth is carrier transport, diffusion and drift. Fifth is p-n junction. P-n junction is also a previous topic that you have studied. Okay, so that is same as in class 12th. Sixth is metal semiconductor junction, ohmic and Schottky diode. This is going to be a new topic for you. Okay. Seventh is semiconductor material of interest for optoelectronic devices. Okay. So coming to third unit, light semiconductor interaction. This is also very important unit in the whole syllabus. First topic is optical transition in bulk semiconductors, absorption, spontaneous emission and stimulated emission. So the difference between spontaneous emission and stimulated emission is very much important topic that is usually asked in previous paper. So you should have to do this. Second is Einstein coefficient, that is also one of the most important question and usually asked for 8 marks. Very important. Third is population inversion. Fourth is application in semiconductor laser. That is also very important. Fifth topic is joint density of state. Again very important. Sixth one is density of states for phonons. Seventh is transition rate Fermi golden rule. That is also very important. Eighth is optical loss and gain. Ninth one is photovoltaic effect. 10th is exciton. 11th is Drude model. This is also very important topic and usually asked for 2 marks in MSTs and in final exam also. Okay. So coming to the last unit, that is fourth unit, measurement techniques. First topic of is measurement for divergence and wavelength using a semiconductor laser. That this topic is rarely asked. Like I have not seen any previous paper where this is asked. Second topic is measurement for carrier density. Third is resistivity. That is an important topic. Fourth is hole mobility using 4-point probe method and Vanderpump method. That is very important. Like 4-point probe method and Vanderpump method asked in previous paper. In I think every paper it is asked. The fifth topic is hot point probe method. That is also very important. Sixth one is capacitance voltage measurement. Seventh is parameter extraction from diode IV characteristics. Okay, so this is the whole syllabus of semiconductor physics semester 1. Now we are going to talk about exams and mark distribution at PTU. Okay, okay, so there is total of 3 exams in a semester. Okay. So the first exam is MST, that is mid semester exam. There are total of 2 MST in a semester. So total weightage of MST marks is 24, out of which passing marks is 8. You have to score 8 marks out of 24 to pass this exam. Syllabus, it is usually decided by the teacher, like 1 or 2 units is asked. Okay, so you should prepare at least 1 unit before your MST 1 exams. Now coming to the blueprint, how the MST paper is designed. There is total of 4 unit in 4 questions in section A that carry 2 marks each. There is 3 questions in section B that carries 4 marks each, and there is 2 questions carrying 8 marks each in section C. So out of the first question in section A, there are 4 questions of 2 marks. You need to attempt all these 4 questions. In second, there are 3 questions out of which you need to attempt only 2. Like if you attempt 2, you will score full marks. In third, there are 2 questions that you have choice between them. You can attempt one out of these. Okay. The same is for MST2 also. Total marks 24, passing marks 8, syllabus decided by teacher. Blueprint is same as of MST1. Okay. So now we are going to talk about the most important exam of semester, that is end semester exam. Okay. So total marks for is it 60, passing marks 24, syllabus decided by teacher. Okay. Not decided by teacher actually. The whole syllabus that is of like unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 and unit 4 is asked. Okay. So the blueprint for this is 10 question carrying 2 marks each, compulsory to attempt it all. Second is 8 questions carrying 8 marks each, need to attempt only 5. Like 10 into 2 of 2 marks question is 20 and 8 into 5 is equal to 40, that is for 8 mark question. So the total is 60 marks. Okay, this is the most important exam as I said, so you have to pass this exam so that you have not fail in this exam and have reappear. Okay, so be serious about this exam. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the final grade point, that is make after calculating your both MST's exams, your internals and externals. So for internal, first is average of MST1 and MST2 is calculated, that is of 24 marks. Sometimes best of MST1 and MST2 is taken depending upon your teacher of particular subject. Like when we were in semester 1, we also have the same doubt like हमारे MST 1 के मार्क्स लगेंगे, हमारे MST 2 के मार्क्स लगेंगे, या उसकी एवरेज लगेगी। तो हमारे केस में क्या हुआ था कि हमारे बेस्ट ऑफ 2 लग गए थे। लाइक लेट्स टेक अ एग्जांपल, अगर आप इफ़ यू हैव स्कोर्ड 16 मार्क्स इन MST 1 and 20 marks in MST 2, so the best of 2 is like 20, so 20 is taken. Okay, it's all depend upon your teacher. Then there is 10 marks for assignment and quizzes, and 6 marks is for attendance. So the resulted total is 24 for MST, 10 for assignment, 6 for attendance, and total is 40. Okay, and now we talk about external marks. External mark is all of semester exam, that is 60 marks. Okay, that is very important. You have to pass this exam, so you are sure that your total is calculated. Otherwise you will considered failed in paper, and you have to reappear for it in next semester. So be serious about this semester exam. Okay, so the total is internal 40 marks, external 60 marks, and total is 100. Now we talk about the grade. If you have O, that is outstanding, you have 10 grade point. For A plus, excellent, 9. A, very good. And the same for B plus, B, C. P for marginal pass, like if you have 20, if you have scored 24 marks out of 60. The failed or reappear, if you have failed in semester exam, then you will be considered as failed. Okay, so again I will said that semester exam is very important. Okay, so now I will talk about the common doubt that all students have in semester 1 exam. Like they are new to college, they have many doubts. So in this video I will talk about this. Okay, so बच्चों का एक कॉमन डाउट रहता है कि फिजिक्स बहुत हार्ड होती है, फिजिक्स इज़ वेरी हार्ड। लाइक 11th 12th की फिजिक्स बहुत हार्ड थी, उसमें न्यूमेरिकल बहुत थे। बट इन कॉलेज जैसे हमारे PTU में क्या है कि जैसे पेपर आता है, पेपर इज़ होल थ्योरेटिकल बेस। आई थिंक हार्डली 1 से 2 न्यूमेरिकल पूछे जाते हैं, और वो भी काफ़ी सिंपल होते हैं। डायरेक्टली आप फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, आंसर आ जाएगा। तो आपको न्यूमेरिकल की चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आपको ये सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि मुझे तो फिजिक्स आती नहीं है, फिजिक्स में तो बस न्यूमेरिकल होते हैं, न्यूमेरिकल मेरे से बनते नहीं हैं। तो ये चीज़ आपको सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। फिजिक्स का पेपर बहुत ईजी होता है। फिजिक्स इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ईजीएस्ट एग्ज़ाम इन सेमेस्टर 1, एंड वेरी इजी पेपर ब्रो। सो आप बस पेपर इज होल थ्योरेटिकल बेस। आप बस जो मैं आपको अभी आगे आने वाली वीडियो में बताऊंगा, ये पूरी एक प्लेलिस्ट बनने वाली है फिजिक्स में, सेमीकंडक्टर फिजिक्स के ऊपर। इसमें मैं हर एक टॉपिक आपको कराऊंगा, उसकी आप एक बार प्रॉपर नोट्स बना लीजिए, आप उसको एक बार अच्छे से समझ लीजिए, आप उसको थोड़ी हर बार रिवाइज़ करते रहिए, ताकि वो आपके माइंड में चीज़ बैठी रहे। बस यही है भाई, जितना लिखोगे उतने नंबर आएंगे, ये भी बात ठीक है। बस आप कोई क्वेश्चन खाली मत छोड़ के आना पेपर में, कुछ भी लिख के आ जाना। कुछ भी से ये मतलब नहीं है कुछ भी लिखे आ जाना, एटलीस्ट आप कुछ रेलिवेंट लिख के आओ उसके बराबर। लाइक क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी यार। लाइक एक्सप्लेन 4 point pro method is asked for 8 marks. Explain Vanderpump method. Explain the difference between intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor. Explain the difference between spontaneous and stimulated emission. Very easy. Einstein coefficient is asked for 8 marks. 2 marks question is also very easy. लाइक अगर आप अच्छे से मेरी वीडियो देखते हैं, और आप ज़रूरी मेरे से पढ़ें। आपको कॉलेज में देखो, एक बात होती है कि आप टीचर के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं रह सकते। ये सेम चीज़ PTM में, और आप बाकी कॉलेज में देख सकते हो। लाइक हम 12वीं तक, क्या हम सब में कॉमन होगा कि 12वीं तक हम टीचर के ऊपर काफ़ी डिपेंड रहते थे कि टीचर पूरा सिलेबस कराएंगे, हमें अपनी ओर से एफर्ट लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। बट कॉलेज में क्या होता है कि टीचर को आपसे इतना कोई मतलब नहीं होता, उनको बस अपना 1 घंटे का लेक्चर ख़त्म करना होता है, और बस आपको खुद करना पड़ता है। मतलब सब कुछ आपको खुद यूट्यूब पे रिसर्च करनी पड़ेगी। और कॉलेज का मटेरियल आई थिंक बहुत कम होता है। लाइक आपको डायरेक्टली मटेरियल पूरा A to Z आपकी PTU का पूरा नहीं मिलेगा एक ही जगह पर। आपको काफ़ी हर एक जगह से अलग अलग टॉपिक की सर्च करनी पड़ेगी। सो दिस इज़ ओनली मोटिव ऑफ माई चैनल। लाइक आपको एक ही जगह पे पूरी प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाए, वो भी बेस्ट, आपको बेस्ट नोट्स के साथ, जिसके आपके अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाएँ। सो दिस इज़ द ओनली सोल पर्पस ऑफ दिस चैनल। बस आप हमारे साथ बने रहें, हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर ले, जहाँ पे हम आपको नोट्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे, आपको बुक का पीडीएफ प्रोवाइड करेंगे फिजिक्स की, और भी कई चीज़ें। बस आप हमारे साथ कनेक्टेड रहे, और मैं जो वीडियो बनाता हूँ आप सबसे पहले इसको समझिए उस वीडियो को, देन मेक प्रॉपर नोट्स ऑफ इट सो डैट यू कैन यूज़ इट ड्यूरिंग योर MST1 प्रिपरेशन। बस यही है भाई। थैंक यू, स्टे कनेक्टेड विद अस, बाय बाय।